Good morning. We are the students of Bannari Public School here to present a project called Quantum Biomedical Water Grid for Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. Our project focuses in sustainable and intelligent water management. Water scarcity and water pollution are the major problems in India, including agriculture, drinking water, and ecosystem health.
The system used u- used the system used quantum emulsion sensor to detect contaminant in real time.
An AI network monitor and regulates oxygen level and water quality, maintaining a balanced ecosystem without chemicals.
This approach ensures cleaner water, healthier aquatic life, and sustainable water management for our communities and agriculture. The system is scalable, eco-friendly, and autonomical, ideal for lakes, rivers, and reservoirs. By combining IoT, quantum sensing, and biological by combining biological feedback loops, it provides us a futuristic, self-healing aquatic ecosystem addressing water pollution and scarcity challenges. Through this quantum bioneural water grid, we envision a future where water systems are intelligent, self-regulating, and clean. Thank you for watching. Remember, where quantum intelligence meets living water.